Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to quickly and easily trade, so buy and sell cryptocurrencies on the BitYard exchange. If you want to create an account, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, we'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees for the first 30 days. So feel free to use the link, then you'll get to this page right here. You can type in your details here and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this right here. And now I want to show you how you can deposit cryptocurrency. So if you already have cryptocurrencies, you can simply send them here to the exchange. Just go up here to assets and click on deposit. Then you will get to this page. Here you can choose the coin that you want to deposit. Let's just check out Bitcoin, for example. Now here on the right side, you can choose the network. In this case, let's just check out the normal Bitcoin network. And here you have the address. You can copy that to your clipboard and send Bitcoin to the address. And then you will have it right here on your account. Of course, this works for any cryptocurrency. As you can see right here, there are many of different options that you can choose from. Let's choose USDT in this case. Here we can also choose, for example, the TRC20 network, which I often like to use because you have lower fees. Here you get the address that you can deposit the money to, just copy it and send it here. If you scroll down a little bit here, we can also see my deposit that I've made. I used the Tron network. Here was my address. Here I can see the amount, and then it was within like a few minutes, it was already here. All right, so next I want to show you how you can also deposit with fiat money. So with US dollar, British pound, or euro. So if you want to deposit with a fiat currency, you simply go up here and click on buy crypto. And now here you can choose what currency you want to use. So here you can choose, for example, the US dollar, you can choose the Swiss franc, you can choose euro, British pound, whatever currency you want. In this case, let's go, for example, for the US dollar. And here you can choose the currency that you want to receive on the platform. So you can, of course, use US dollar tether if you want to trade with it, for example, here. Or you can also, if you can find the currency that you want here, you can also choose it from here. For example, if you want to choose directly, just like, let's say, Bitcoin, you can just simply check it out here, select it, and then you can choose, of course, how much you want to pay. Let's say you want to deposit, let's say like $500. You will see how much you will receive. And down here, you will see the different third-party options that you can use. You can see how much time it takes and what payment methods they offer. So let's say, for example, you want to use, let's say here, this first one. Just click on buy now. And then you will be redirected to this platform here. You can choose which payment method you want to use. For example, the card payment, you can use Google Pay. Here you can obviously see what different payment methods are optionable. So in this case, let's choose the Bitcoin, and then you can just click on buy now, and then you will have to enter your card details, and then you can just follow the process and you will have the money within like a few minutes up here. All right, so once you have deposited money here, you can always check that, of course, if you go up here to your assets and click on my assets, and then we can see right here in the spot market that we have received the money that you have deposited. All right, so once you have the money here on the platform, we can now use that to trade and buy, sell different cryptocurrencies. And to do that, we simply go up here and click on markets. And now we can choose what pairs we want to trade. So in this case, we're going to select the spot market because we just want to trade cryptocurrencies one for another, not leverage trade or anything. And then we can, of course, choose whatever currency pair you want. In this case, as you can see, there are many different options, 16 pages of all the cryptocurrencies that you can trade with US dollar tether. So you can basically exchange any cryptocurrency for another. So if you have, for example, I don't know, let's say Alpha, you can go here, sell it for US dollar tether, and then with US dollar tether buy any other cryptocurrency. So that's pretty useful. In this case, I already have some US dollar tether, and I want to show you how you can buy something. So in this case, let's just go for Ethereum, for example. And then we will get to this page right here. It might look a little bit complicated at the beginning, but let me explain everything step by step. It's actually pretty simple to understand. So here on the left side, you can choose the trading pair. We have Ethereum USDT selected right now, but you can of course choose any other cryptocurrency and search for them right here. Here we have the graph of the trading chart, as you can see. We can also get rid of these volume profiles or these moving averages right here, so we can only see the price chart. And of course, you can also switch between, for example, the 5-minute chart, the 1-hour chart, so however you want to choose it right here. Right next to it here, we have the order book, so all the selling orders up here and all the buying orders down here. And below it, we also have the recently happened trades. And here in the middle, you can also see your, where you can basically execute all of the trades. So this is also very important. We're going to get into that just in a bit. And down here, you could also see if you would have some opened orders, or you can see your trade history as well right here. All right, so if you go up a bit, now I want to execute actually a trade. You can of course choose between limit and market. A limit order would be, you can set a certain price. So if you want to say, okay, I want to buy like at a lower price, you can type that in here. And then once that price will be hit, then the order will be executed. But of course, you don't have it guaranteed, because if the price is not being reached, of course, your order won't be fulfilled. So in this case, I would recommend you always to just use a market order, because then you can see price right here says best market price. So it's going to be executed immediately at the current market price. Up here, we can also see our available balances. So in this case, I want to buy some Ethereum. So I see my USDT value right here. But of course, you can also sell Ethereum, and you will see your available Ethereum right here if you have something on your account right here. In this case, I'm just going to buy something. So I can enter now here how much of my available balance I want to buy Ethereum with. So I could say, for example, 100%, it will be all of it, or just 50%, or I can just type in, of course, 100 USDT. And then all I have to do is go down here and click on buy Ethereum, and my order will be filled immediately and the purchase is completed. Don't forget to create an account by using the link down from the video description to get the 10% discount on all trading fees. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.